Hello. A short intro for this video. A little different than I usually do because I messed up with one pronunciation in this video and I just found out that yes, I did mess up with the pronunciation. So the word is internet, for internet in French. Okay. Pronunciation is not internet, it is internet. It is what? Internet. With the definite article, lanternet. Okay, so let's proceed with the video. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel on Entre Jeunes Class. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are continuing with lesson 11, C'est bon le progrès, it's good progress. And this is the part 2 of this chapter. The textbook which we are discussing is Entre Jeunes Class 10. The textbook prescribed by CBSE for class 10 French students, and all my other videos based on this particular textbook are present in the playlist titled Entre Jeunes Class 10. The link to the playlist is provided in the description box below. So, we were on page number 95. We want to continue from pour aller plus loin. Pour aller plus loin means for further progress. Okay, read the text. We need to read the text now. Okay, जैसा कि हमने एक चैप्टर के शुरुआत में एक टेक्स्ट पढ़ा था, वैसा ही एक और टेक्स्ट है और ये टेक्स्ट किसके बारे में है? इंटरनेट के बारे में. Okay, so let's read it. As usual, we will be reading all the content and then translating it into English. Simple. Okay. So, L'internet est le réseau informatique mondial accessible au public. Okay, so the internet is the global computer network, réseau informatique mondial. You can together translate it as global computer network, accessible to the public. Okay. Un utilisateur d'internet est désigné par le mot internet. Okay, so internet is a term in French which is used for users of internet. Okay, so a user of internet is termed by the word internet. Okay, aujourd'hui, today, plusieurs foyers ont des ordinateurs avec une connexion internet. So, plusieurs foyers, many foyers tend to have the computers, ordinateur computers, with an internet connection, right? Ce moyen de communication est devenu précaire and indispensable. Okay, so this medium of communication has become close to indispensable. Indispensable, what does it mean? That it has become like a necessity, right? We need internet to live, like we are so much dependent upon it, on internet. That's why it has become an indispensable part of our lives. C'est un outil magnifique de la communication et de l'information. So it is a tool, utile. Tool. Okay, it's a magnificent tool, magnificent tool for communication and for information. C'est un réseau ayant plusieurs avantages, par exemple, pour le travail scolaire, des devoirs, des recherches, des présentations. Okay, so it is a network having, like ayant, having. Participe présent. Right, it's there in this chapter. It's already been discussed on my channel as well. Participe présent and gerundive. Right, we have already discussed it earlier. So, we have ayant means having many advantages. For example, pour le travail scolaire, for doing academic work, scolaire. Academic work related to academics. Right. For example, we have des devoirs, the homeworks, des recherches, research, des présentations, the presentations, right? Now we are moving to page number 96, 95 is over. On peut trouver des renseignements sur les sites web. So one can find renseignements information, okay, on the websites, site web websites, en utilisant, here, gérondif is used, right, while using internet, okay, en utilisant internet, les jeunes peuvent communiquer par courrier, courriel, par des messageries instantanées et ou des réseaux sociaux comme Facebook, Skype, the pronunciation will be in French manner, I guess. So Facebook, Skype may be pronounced as keep, and Twitter may be tweete, maybe, etc. So, while using internet, the young can communicate using courriel. Courriel is what? Mail, right? Then we have the messagerie instantanée. Messagerie instantanée. Instant messengers, right? And then we have the réseaux sociaux, very common. Réseaux sociaux, the social media like Facebook, Twitter, Skype, all that, right? Then what do we have next? Les jeunes consacrent. Consacre means to devote. Souvent des heures et des heures sur Internet et on peut facilement communiquer à quelqu'un qui vit à l'autre bout du monde. So the young people, the youth, devote often hours and hours on the internet, and one can easily communicate with someone or to someone who is living at the other end of the world. À l'autre bout du monde, at the other end of the world. Grâce à Internet. Thanks to internet. On peut s'amuser, one can enjoy, jouer aux jeux vidéo, play video games, regarder des films et se détendre. So watch films and relax. Okay, relax oneself. Attention, be careful. Si on passe tout le temps sur Internet, if one passes a lot of time on the internet, cette habitude risque de devenir une addiction. So this habit, there's a risk of it becoming an addiction. On peut même devenir obèse ou avoir d'autres problèmes de santé. So one can become obese and have other health-related problems. Ok, avec Internet, on a tendance de copier et coller et souvent. Ok, copier et coller. Copier et coller. Let me tell you what it is. In English, copy paste. Okay, so basically the passage is saying whenever we get any assignment or with any research paper, like as a student, what the students do generally, they go to the websites and then just simply copy paste the text, right? And they maybe just change the formatting and stuff. But like, is it beneficial? Like copying it in exact manner and then pasting, it takes less time. But what the person will be learning, right? That's the thing. So that's what is written here. So on a tendance de copier et coller et souvent on ne fait pas l'effort personnel pour faire un travail de recherche. So one has the tendency of copying and pasting, and often one does not put personal effort for doing a research work. Ok, il ne nous reste pas le temps pour les autres loisirs comme la lecture, le sport, la promenade. Ok, so we are not left with a lot of time for other leisure activities, right? For example, reading or sports or walking, right? We are not left with much time because we are devoting so much time to internet and technology. Okay. बेसिकली हमने इस टेक्स्ट में क्या पढ़ा? इंटरनेट के बारे में जाना कि इंटरनेट क्या है, इंटरनेट के बेनिफिट्स जाने, इंटरनेट के डिसएडवांटेज जाने, और हमने यह भी बात करी कि इंटरनेट अगर ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा, आवश्यकता से ज़्यादा अगर प्रयोग किया जाए तो वो भी हमारे लिए ठीक नहीं है. It can pose health problems, right? See, excess of anything is not good, right? There should be a proper balance. Neither too much, not too less. A proper balance, isn't it? Excess is not good. Now we have à toi, to you, deux avantages d'Internet sont. So you need to write 2 advantages of internet. Avantage, like, okay, let's write it quick. On peut faire, like, you can take directly the statements from the chapter only, okay? Like from the text, not from the chapter, from the text itself. Like there are a few statements directly mentioned over here. For example, one advantage you can write, on peut s'amuser comme jouer aux jeux vidéo, regarder des films et what was that? Et se détendre. Directly taken from the text. Okay. Simple. Like this time in 2021-22 chapter 10 is not there for testing, but otherwise this is important from examination point of view, right? If 11th chapter was there in the chapter, then this is of course an important question. But this year, 2021-22, it's not there, so it's fine. Then we can write this statement, like if one statement is given here, no? Yeah, on peut facilement communiquer one. Like we can communicate easily, on peut facilement, on peut communiquer facilement should come first. Like in English, we would have said like one can communicate easily, but here like we are writing facilement before, so facilement communiquer à quelqu'un qui vit à l'autre bout du monde. Okay, next we have number 3. Okay, so this was first, now second. 2 advantages now, the inconvénients d'Internet sont. Inconvénients, it's like inconveniences, or you can translate 2 disadvantages. First we wrote advantages, and अब हमें disadvantage लिखने. Disadvantage, okay, limitations. You can call it limitations as well. So, what are the disadvantages? One disadvantage is il ne nous reste pas le temps pour, again taken directly from the text, loisir, comme la lecture, le sport, la promenade, right? Like it does not leave to us sufficient time to just do the other leisure activities, for example, sports, walking, reading. We are not left with that much time, right? And then we have that it can become an addiction, right? So, like you can write from here. Si on passe trop de temps sur Internet, cette habitude risque de devenir une addiction. Like I know the video is going to end, but now some sort of confusion took place. I don't know why in my mind. That no, like internet in French pronunciation should be internet. Because if we see like ET pronounced as A, and then in ER ending verbs, ER is having A sound and not like O sound. So I am not very sure, like this confusion has suddenly making me feel confused regarding the pronunciation of the word internet in French. I'll confirm it on the net. Like if it's Antonin only, very good, very well, because I'll be happy then. But if it's Anthony, then I'll be a bit, like the video is recorded and the whole video I kept speaking Antonin. So I'll just confirm it. Okay. Last one. Third, we have 5 fill in the blanks. Fine. Fill in the blanks simply आपको text में से word ढूंढना है. ठीक है. First one, Antonin et le dash. The communication indispensable. So it's a what? Indispensable. Of indispensable communication. Wait, it is a dash of communication which is indispensable. Right, that should be the meaning. So it's a medium, right, or it's a network. You can write réseau, you can write moyen, but I guess in this text, moyen word is not appearing if I'm not wrong. Oh, moyen is also there. So you can write network, you can write moyen, it's fine. Then, on peut faire plusieurs activités sur Internet comme, okay, we have a lot of activities mentioned over here, right? Comme travail scolaire. Travail scolaire, under travail scolaire, what were there? What all were there? Des devoirs, des présentations, oh, sorry. And des recherches, the researchers. Third one, les jeunes dépendent souvent des heures. So Antonio, can I read the answer? They spend often hours, right? Des heures. So in the blank, hours, heures. Un utilisateur d'Internet est désigné par le mot, like what's the term used for the user of internet? Internet, right? In French. Si on passe de temps sur Internet, cela risque de devenir une. Okay, if you spend a lot of time on internet, there's a risk of developing what? An addiction, right? So addiction. Same spelling, different pronunciation. Let's put a halt here for today's video. So c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Entre Jeunes Class. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Entre Jeunes Class. See you in my next video, like I have kind of different sort of content coming ahead. So yeah, and as I said, like within this week, the upload schedule will be slightly disturbed. Like maybe it might happen that I upload the next video in 4 days. Right, instead of 3 days. So it may happen like that. So, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.